I just found a brand new AI CoWorker tool that destroys Claude Cowork. You can access it both from a Mac and from Windows. It can access all of your integrations or your local computer, and it allows you to use every LLM. You don't have to be stuck with only using Claude. You can use whichever one you want. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what this new AI CoWorker tool is and some pretty crazy use cases you could use it for. Now, that brand new AI CoWorker is going to be Abacus AI Desktop, because this right here combines CoWork with a coding agent and a desktop assistant, which is absolutely insane. And we can see right here that you could download it for Mac, you could download it for Linux, you could download it for Windows. So no matter what kind of machine you want to run this on, you're going to be able to. And once we actually load this up, this is exactly what this looks like right here. We could see that we have a browser extension that we could use. There's a desktop listener. We have all of our conversations that are connected to our Abacus AI. And this right here is awesome, because if we come over here into CoWork, we could see that we could get this to do a bunch of different things. And it has access to not only all of the different tools that Abacus has access to, this also has access to our desktop. And we can see right here that we could get this to go through and create things like websites. We could get this to code. We could get this to find and organize things. We could get this to go through and do tasks. If we come over here to select folder, we could actually go through our computer, be able to access all the folders on our computer. In addition to that, we could do the same exact thing right here, and we could come over here and we could change what the effort level is actually going to be. We have medium, we have high, we have low. So depending on what type of task you're doing, you're actually going to be able to come over here and change the effort level. In addition to that, if we come over to chat right here, very quickly, you'll be able to access every single LLM that you could think of for any tasks that you could think of, which is awesome. Now, that first use case I wanted to show you here is how we can actually get this to go through and access our downloads and then give it a prompt like this. This folder right here contains user interview, transcripts, recordings, survey responses, a Jira, backlog, exports, and team notes, different idea dumps from brainstorming sessions. I want you to analyze everything together in order to identify key user problems, extract pain points, group them into clear themes, rank them on how they appear across sources, and then draft a problems worth solving section for a PRD backed by specific evidence. We want quotes, data points, references from interviews, all of this. So basically, this is about to go through a bunch of different files from a bunch of different meetings, and this is actually going to give us a ready to present roadmap. Now we can see that just like this, we go through and we give it access to everything that it actually needs. It's now going through, it's processing, and it's going through and actually doing each of these things one by one. It's able to access our computer and look at this. Literally in seconds, this is completing what would typically be like a half a day of work in one simple thing right here. Now we have an executive summary. We have all the problems that we should handle. It goes through every problem. It goes through all the different quotes right here. This is absolutely insane. And guess what? It was able to do all of this by simply accessing our files. And this is where this is really going to change your life, because you shouldn't be wasting your time doing things like this anymore. You should have AI do this, because literally you could chill or do another task while this is running in the background doing these types of tasks right here, where you in the past would have to go through multiple different folders, you would have to think of things, you would have to format things, but instead, this does it for you. And I mean, look at how comprehensive this is. This is like page 9 of this report right here. It literally goes through in phases what the roadmap should be, what each phase is, what initiative is, the problems that are addressed, the estimated effort, and the estimated impact, which is amazing. But I don't want you to think that that's the only thing that this could do, because let's say that you were doing something on social media. You could get it to do something like this. We're going to give it access to podcast transcripts right here. And we're going to say for each podcast episode transcript in this folder, I want you to write a LinkedIn post, a Twitter thread, and a few scripts for 30-second to 1-minute reels on quotable/storytelling moments. I want you to save each piece of content as a separate file named after the episode, and then please process all the episodes in parallel. So what we're going to get this to do, and one thing I want you to note is that we are using high mode right here, is this is going to go through and this is going to do what typically a social media manager would spend all day doing. Look, we're going to come over here. We're going to leave this on high. This is now going through, and this literally gives us the to-do right here. So if we want to walk away from it and come back to it, we could actually see its progress, see where it is, and look at how quickly it is going through, and it is hitting all these things. And now we could ask it to also organize all these different folders, and it will actually organize these folders in our computer. And look at this. This literally now went through, gave us all these LinkedIn posts, gave us all these X threads, gave us short form content that we can create. And this is incredible that this has now gone through and done this. Now, before we get into the rest of those crazy use cases, I wanted to remind you that you can go to the pinned comment below and get started with Abacus AI Desktop today. This tool is going to revolutionize how you interact with AI and how you're automating your work with AI, because this is probably the most powerful coworker tool that I've ever seen, and you need to make sure that you begin using it. So go to that pinned comment below and get started with it today. This tool is an absolute no-brainer. Now, for this next task, we're going to give this a much longer prompt because this is a lot more complex work. And what I want to show you here is how it can actually interact with all of your different Office documents. So this folder has US supplier prices listed for different formats, this month, last month's price sheets, and sales data. I want you to clean and combine everything, then find where we're losing money and what to do about it. Create one table that has supplier, product SKU, old price, new price, percentage change, and our profit margin. And then it goes through and gives it a bunch of different rules right here. We're then going to give it access to this folder right here. It's going to go through each of the different documents, be it CSVs, be it PDFs, be it sheets inside of here, and do this comprehensive analysis. And now look at how long this to-do list right here is. It is very long. It's going through and it is actually knocking all this out. It's telling us exactly what's inside of here, exactly what the key findings are. And we could see that it's now gone through and it's actually created these Excel sheets and interacted with them. Look at this. This is insane. I mean, this would probably be like a month's worth of work for an entire team, but this went through and did this, and this interacted with Excel. It interacted with our PDFs. It interacted with our documents, and what it has done here is absolutely, I mean, this is mind-blowing that it's actually able to handle this much data accurately. It's able to highlight things. It's able to manipulate things, change things. This is awesome. And again, just to show you how complex this is, what this just did, it went through 1 and explored the workspace. It understood everything. 2, it read and parsed all the different things. It then cleaned and combined all the data into a unified structure, built price and margin analysis table with flags. It identified the top 5 suppliers. It researched different competitors. It ranked those suppliers with negotiation leverage and talking points. It built in revenue at risk analysis. It generated a recommended action per product, and it outputted all of this in Excel with all of those different tabs. This literally would have taken an entire team, maybe a week or two to do, and it did it in just a few minutes. Now, the next thing I wanted to do is I wanted to give this access to all of my different logs. So we can see right here, view all files in this folder, logs, alert history, Slack exports, and runbook. I want you to reconstruct the incident sequence and write a complete postmortem. I want a timeline of events, root cause analysis, impact assessment, and remediation plan. Format this as a shareable document in doc format. If you have any information or data I might be missing, please feel free to highlight that. Now again, this is going to go through. I like to use high effort for things like this because it just does a way better job. It has our to-do plan right here, and now we can see that this is going through and this is executing on this using Python. So this has now gone through, created the document structure, gave us key findings right here, and now we could go through and actually look at this document that this created, which is absolutely incredible. This just went through all of my logs, gave us a timeline of events, told us an alert summary, literally gives us everything right here so that we could go through and understand what's going on, why it's going on, and even come up with a response evaluation and a remediation plan. And again, what I want you to take away from this, because some of these use cases might not be exactly what you're going to use this tool for. You could connect this to Gmail. You could connect this to Slack. You could connect this to all of your different tools. You could have this go through and do this complex analysis here that, again, I think is actually better than CoWork, because inside of the same tool, you could go through and you can code. Inside of the same tool, you can get it to create things for you. Inside of the same tool, you can access every LLM. Inside of the same tool, you have a desktop listener agent that you are able to use. This is a really comprehensive all-in-one agent, but I do have one other use case I wanted to show you. That is going to be asking this to search through our downloads folder and the current directory for Abacus AI product documentation. This literally goes through, gives us everything that we wanted to look at right here. And then what this is actually going to do is go through and organize everything right here. So it's going to search, it's going to read, it's going to actually go through and create all these. And what this is going to do is basically organize everything that I have on my computer, which is incredible. And we could see that this has now made this into this Excel sheet right here. And I cannot believe how good this is, how clean this is, how it created multiple different Excel sheets, how it's formulated correctly, how they even highlight things and separate things. I am mind blown at how good this tool actually is, not only at going through and finding its way around my computer, but actually doing work and delivering it in a way that is a real deliverable. Doesn't need editing, doesn't need us to go through and change 100 things. This is finally where AI is able to do the same work as a human. And once you learn how to prompt this correctly, how to use this correctly, and you begin using it, this is going to completely change your outlook with AI. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about what you could do with Abacus AI, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through a bunch of other use cases that you could use this tool for. Because if you want an all-in-one tool that allows you to generate videos, generate images, access any AI tool from one simple subscription, you're going to love this tool. So check out this video right here.